Good morning, children. Welcome back to our class. In previous video, we have seen the introduction and how to read the poem The Little Rubber Duck. And yesterday I told you one activity, that is dip and flip activity. Hope you all have done that activity. Children, today we will see the explanation of the poem. So here the first stanza we will see first. My little rubber duck, I love to make you float around in my tub like a mini boat. So children, see here. Here are the some meanings of first stanza. Here little means small, float means hang, tub means container, and boat means watercraft or ship. Children, little means small, float means hang or drift, tub means container, drum or drum, boat means ship or watercraft. So children, here the boy wanted to float a rubber duck in the bathtub like a small or mini boat. Yes children, here the rubber duck will float on water because it is lighter in weight and made with rubber and hollow also. So it will float on water like a mini boat or ship in that bathtub. Now in the second stanza, my yellow rubber duck, I like to make you dip in the lovely soapy water and sometimes do a flip. Children, here these are the some meanings of second stanza. Dip, dip means children immerse. Flip, flip means turn over. Children, here in this stanza, child is saying that my yellow rubber duck means the color of duck is yellow and he want or he like to dip. Here dip means immerse children. His rubber duck in lovely. Lovely means nice, beautiful. In a lovely soapy water. Soapy water means the water of shampoo, the water in that little bit shampoo or soap is there. And sometimes do a flip. Flip means turn over. Now children, last stanza. My playmate rubber duck, pouring water on your back. Oh, I wish you would turn and shout hello with a quack. Children, these are the some meanings of last stanza. Playmate means children friend. Pour means flow. Turn means go around. Shout means say something loudly or call or cry also. So here children, the boy is saying, my friend rubber duck and he wanted to pour the water on his back. Here pour means flow or run. And he wished he would turn and he would shout. Shout means say something loudly. He would shout hello and say quack. Here quack means the sound of rubber duck, the sound of duck. Children, here in this poem, float, mini boat, tub, deep, flip, soapy water, all these words are related to water, right? So now children, we will see the sources of water. As we know that children, in our daily life, water is very important for us. Plus, water is not only important for only human beings, but it is also important for animals and plants also. Also, plants also require water. Now, where we will get water or the sources of water, that we will see in this video. So, children, now watch this video carefully.
Good morning children. Today we shall learn about sources of water. We already know water is very important for our lives. Not just us humans, even animals and also plants require water. Now, where all can we find water? Water is found in ponds, then lakes, rivers, and also sea and ocean. But the question is, where do they get water from? Well, it is rain. The rain gives water to all of us. It's the rainwater which fills in all the lakes, rivers, oceans, etc. You know, some of the rainwater also seeps into the ground. So, there is some water found underground and we call it underground water. Can we get underground water for our use? Yes, we can. You know, we dig wells, that is deep holes underground to get underground water. Also, hand pumps are used to get underground water. Now, we know rainwater is very useful for us and also precious. So, can we save rainwater? Yes, children can also help in saving rainwater. How? You can collect rainwater in buckets, barrels, etc. Then this stored water in buckets, tanks, etc. can be used in various ways. Like it can be used for washing your bicycle, your father's car, etc. Also, this water can be used for cleaning floors and it can be also used for watering plants. So, now you know water is very useful for us, hence we should not waste water. You should always turn off the tap after the use. Never leave it open. Also, never throw waste in water. Like this boy is about to throw the waste in the river. This is wrong. We should not do this. That's all for now. Bye bye children.
So